Honda Big Wing really has been on a roll. First with the Highness and then the CB350 RS and now this. Honda's first big bike for 2021, the CB500X. Now this is a bike that we've really been looking forward to, especially me, and to find out why, stay tuned till the end of the video. But first we have to address the elephant in the room, and that is its massive price. At rupees 6.87 lakh ex-showroom, it's almost impossible to justify this bike, at least on paper. But as we've always maintained, there's more to this bike than the spec sheet. So can experiencing it help us justify this bike's price and make us fall in love with it all over again? Well, we have done it, and here are 5 things you need to know to make up your own mind. 1. The engine is quite peppy. Sure, 47 and a bit PS doesn't seem all that high. I mean, the 390 Adventure makes 43.5 PS and it's much lighter. But the CB500X's motor is really perky. 43.2 Newton meters of torque is nothing to scoff at. The highlight here is just how linear the power delivery is. Pretty much in any gear and at any speed, you've still got plenty of pull. Normally, motorcycles with linear power deliveries feel boring to ride, but not this one. Two, it's not a pakka off-roader, but it handles light trails better than you can imagine. The CB500X's stance surely looks off-roady thanks to its 181 mm of ground clearance, which is pretty decent. And the current generation also has a 19-inch front wheel with dual-purpose rubber. But there is no cradle frame or any bash plate to protect the engine from taking hits. And its low-ish suspension travel at both ends hardly qualifies it as a proper off-roader. But it's got a very well-balanced chassis with good weight distribution that feels great on light dirt trails. And the Dunlop dual-purpose tires work well here too. The only slight issue is that at stock settings, the rear suspension is a little bit bouncy over sharp bumps. But that can easily be remedied by standing up on the pegs and shifting your weight rearward, something that's quite easy to do thanks to the narrow body of the bike, which is very easy to grip when standing up. 3. It's a bike you can ride everywhere. As mentioned, the CB500X is great on light trails, but it really lives for the highway because this twin is smooth, real smooth. Okay, so there is a little buzziness past 6000 RPM, but it'll do 100 kph in 6th gear at about 4700 RPM. So cruise speeds of 110 to 120 kmph are just par for the course. And when you come across a set of twisties, it'll actually put a smile on your face. Sure, the 19-inch front wheel and slightly long 27.5 degree of rake means steering isn't sport bike sharp. But the wide bars give you plenty of leverage to steer the bike into turns. And once you get it past the slight upright inertia, it's quite eager to drop into corners. And it feels planted there as well. Heck, it's even a great commuter in the city. Once rolling, you hardly feel the 199 kilos of curb weight. And sure, the motor doesn't have the bottom end punch of a single cylinder or a V-twin, but it makes most of its torque from 2500 RPM onwards, which means you can potter around at slow speeds in high gears, hopefully getting great efficiency as well. And when you do open the gas, it just wants to get going. Basically, on weekends this is an excellent touring machine that will happily keep going once the highway ends. And on weekdays, it will happily do your office commute, and if you want to use it to run down to the shops and buy some sabzi, it will do that just as happily. 4. It's a bike pretty much anybody can ride. Seriously, don't let the seat height fool you. Even if you're on the shorter side, it's fairly easy to get your feet down as the bike is really narrow. The bars are tall but not overly so, and the foot pegs are just rear set enough to be comfortable. So you end up sitting fairly upright on the big comfortable seat. Of course, if you are super tall and really big, the bike might feel a little small, but only then. What it is a very well balanced bike which, thanks to its ease of handling and easy part delivery, is very beginner friendly. This can very easily be your first adventure bike and it will never intimidate you. But the beauty of the CB500X is that even when you do gain experience, you won't easily outgrow it. Or if you're already an experienced rider, it certainly won't bore you. 5. It's really well made. We honestly believe that the CB500X is a very handsome motorcycle. We particularly like the pointy front end and tall windscreen, which does a good job of deflecting wind on the rider at highway speeds. We also like the fact that while it does look tall and commanding, it's not imposingly so. But what you'll most appreciate is just how well made the 500X is. The plastics feel top notch, the panel gaps are minimal, and the paint quality is impeccable. After all, the CKD kits for this bike come from Japan. That said, it's not going to blow you away with its features list. While it does have LED lighting all around, there are no other features to talk about. Heck, even its negative LCD instrument cluster, though informative, is kinda small and unimpressive. And stuff like this becomes an issue when you consider the CB500X's massive asking price. Now I'll tell you why I was so looking forward to this bike. I had a chance to ride the 2017 version of the CB500X in Malaysia back in 2017, and let me explain. Now, do you remember Uday Chopra's character Ali from Dhoom? So every time he saw a beautiful girl, he would start imagining his life with her and he would just fall in love with her at first sight. It was the same thing for me. As soon as I got on this bike, I began to imagine my life with it. I was imagining getting a GPS mount here, rally lights, panniers, the works. It really was love at first ride. So can I say the same thing about this 2021 CB500X? Absolutely. I can't even begin to tell you how much I want to take her home. But the problem is, at that price, it's like having the love of Ali's life married to somebody else. And that is a problem.
दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना है।